Have you been tempted to get out the old beach gear from your La-di-da video? Or is that been locked away forever?
No, I don't think they'll be coming out anytime soon. You know, our skirt got a bit of a bashing, you know, on the video. It wouldn't be wearable again now.
Oh, it's such a feel-good music video.
But it is, and it put a smile on all our faces,
it
Daniel.
really did, right when we needed it as well.
Picked us up, certainly did.
And Daniel,
it really caught people's attention. I suppose it was at a time when everybody was just, you know, worn out with lockdowns and everything, and it was a bit of fun.
Yeah, and you do get a lot of love online. You know, you're sort of this unlikely viral star, basically, on social media. So did the reaction to the La-di-da video surprise you, or did you know when you were making it that actually this is just going to be completely what we're all in need of, like you said?
Well, I suppose you never know, but when we saw it first, I mean, I went, the guys that did it, Sean and Kieran from React Productions, they live beside me at home, and I was aware of them. We had done a bit of work with them. And when I found the song and I loved it, and I said, we should do a video for it because it's crying out for a video. And we just gave it to the lads, and they thought up the concept. And then a local girl, Karen Sharkey, did the artwork. And like, they really are to be credited for what the end result was. But when I first saw it myself in Magella, we thought, this is just fantastic, you know. And, you know, people just, as I said, got to see it, and just it struck a chord with old and young.
Yes.
You know, it doesn't necessarily need to be a certain age group that watches this. It's just fun.
Yeah, and that's exactly what it was. Gave us a smile and gave us plenty of fun. Now, in the process of doing our research, we learned, Daniel, that one of your pet hates is gossip. But that wasn't always the case, was it, Daniel, for you?
Oh, well, I suppose you're talking when I was small.
When you were a young man.
I was always in and out of everybody's house at home, and I would know everything that was going on, and I was like a walking newspaper.
What were you calling it, the Daily Daniel?
The Daily Daniel.
I suppose the Daily Daniel. Yes, there's a good ring to it, hasn't it?
It would work.
I was like social media before it came.
Exactly.